gonna unbox a PR package from Kayman. This is their latest product, the watermelon mist. Jom unbox together. Pisau yang nak tajam. Apa payah sangat. Okay. Tada! Nervousnya, boleh tak nervous? Ada tembikai minuman berperisa, tembikai berkarbonat. And then we got, I think I'm gonna read this because they always send the best personal notes. It says here, "Dear Jia, you are the most hardworking, multi-talented woman we know. Gitu. You are our superwoman. We can't wait to know what you think of our new baby. We hope you love it as much as we do." Thank you. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Kayman. Back to the unboxing. What is this? So big, but I think I know apa benda. Let's open it. Oh my god! Kayman! It's a juice blender. It's a blender. Oh my god! And it has Kayman logo on it. Bekas dia pun cantik, okay? So I'm gonna put this back inside and then we're gonna continue unboxing. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the blender. This is the watermelon fruit juice cocktail. I tak pernah minum benda ni, but it looks interesting. So basically everything inside here ada kaitan dengan watermelon. Ni sedap! This one is so good. Watermelon lychee tea. My son loves it too. Okay, lepas tu kita ada yang ni. Okay, yang ni standard lah, ada headband. Headband untuk kalau macam korang tengah buat facial ke, boleh pakai. Last but not least, tada! The product yang baru keluar, Hyalumelon Mist Toner. I'm so excited for this. I've tried the sample and I think it's so good. And then we got the key ingredients, dia punya info about the product. Okay, jom kita tengok produk pula. This is the start of the show, Hyalumelon Mist Toner from Kayman. This is the latest product. So let's open it. I've been hearing rumors about the packaging. Tak sabar buka packaging dia. Cantiknya! So ada ingredient hitam ke putih. Tengok tu, lepas tu dia punya tulisan ada colour gold. I really like the packaging. And it's plastic. Lepas tu dekat setiap produk Kayman dia memang ada name dengan opening date kat sini. So you guys can write it right here. Kalau macam contoh sini, period of opening PAO is 6 months. So kira lah 6 months punya usage lah ni. After 6 months dah, it's not advisable to use anymore. Okay, dia punya pump, korang tengok kat sini, dia spray tau, sebab dia mist kan. So lightweight. Lepas tu the more layer you apply, lagi banyak hydration dekat you punya skin. I'm gonna let it dry for maybe 1 minute sebab dia sangat fast. It's a fast absorbing hydrating toner tau. It's not like any other toner yang sangat berat and makes your skin feels cakey. Tapi dia sangat fast absorbing and after a while it feels like your skin is clean and fresh. And ada extra glue. I don't know if you guys can see it, tapi dia memang ada extra glue. So this is the first layer. I'm gonna put on the second layer. Texture dia is slightly dense than water. Lepas tu dia colour dia macam colour air beras. Okay, so this is the second layer. Masa I guna this sample, I guna up to 4 layers, especially kalau I tengah guna actives. Exfoliation will make your skin very dry and you really need hydration for your skin. hydration dengan moisturizer sangat penting. I think you can already see the glow on my hand. Let's highlight the key ingredients for this Hyalumelon mist toner. Okay, first sekali dia ada watermelon extract, and then dia ada rice bran oil, hyaluronic acid, and centella acetica, retinol and lantoin. Okay, I think you all know that previously Kayman ada serum yang ada centella acetica and how cooling it is to your skin bila korang guna. This provide the same soothing and cooling effect too. It's amazing. I'm gonna try this for maybe at least 1 month more, and then I'll keep you guys updated. So siapa yang belum dapat this Hyalumelon mist toner, please go get it because it's gonna be so good for your skin. I'm gonna do a full review on this product in my next video, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.